If you make content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or long form YouTube videos and you're talking to a camera and often mess up and make mistakes like me, today I'm going to teach you a really fast way that you can automatically cut out all the repeats, bad takes, and mess ups in your video edits using this secret AI method that will automatically edit for you. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm inside of Premiere Pro. I'm going to be using a plugin today. This is called AutoEdit Event Recap Mode. Now this is a paid plugin, unfortunately. I know. Me and my team made this plugin, but we do have a free plugin that also automatically edits your B-roll for you. So if you want to check that one out first, you can go ahead and check it out and download it completely for free. But anyways, the way you access it is you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click AutoEdit Recap Mode. For those of you who don't know, plugins are basically like apps inside of Premiere Pro. If your phone is Premiere Pro, then the apps are plugin. Now, once you load in Event Recap Mode, this plugin, by the way, is actually built for like editing wedding videos, concert videos, and festivals, but there is a use case that you can use it to automatically edit your talking head videos. So I literally just go to this interview section, and you can just use the interview section only by clicking upload, and then you go to upload your interview clip. And this is where you select your reels. So as you can see, I recorded a reel the other day, and you can see I'm messing up a lot. There's a lot of mess ups and bad takes. It's about 2 minutes, and I hit open, and then I just click next to BPM detection, but it'll automatically take me to analyze the interviews. Now this part, it's basically asking me like how long on average do I want my good takes to be. Usually my takes are about like 12 seconds. I can go 11 seconds without messing up. And so I hit analyze interview quotes, and then it'll just take a couple seconds. It's really fast. Like honestly, this part is my favorite part about this plugin, because it's really fast at analyzing quotes. And once it's done, you'll see it automatically finds the best quotes for you. So you can see I say like, oh, this course will be taught in person, online, and you can see there's a bunch of different repeats, and I can literally just basically edit by selecting and numbering like which quotes I want in this order. Speeding up your edit, story time, speeding up your editing. So you can see this one is a bad take, and if I don't like these, I can of course just go ahead and adjust the slider again. Let's go for something like maybe 21 seconds, and it'll just basically reanalyze and find new quotes for us that are 20 seconds long, and boom, just like that, now we have some longer, more like solid takes. If you're a beginner video editor, right? Well, you're in luck. Well, this course will be, and then you can see I like repeat myself a couple times. I'm gonna go with this take, one of the biggest challenges. Anyways, once I'm done selecting all the quotes that I want in my video, I literally just hit auto rough cut, and boom, just like that, it automatically cuts out all those bad takes for me, creating a full rough draft of my edit in just seconds. So this is just a really quick way that you can just go ahead and cut out all the bad takes. You know, it removes the silences, it'll remove the repeats, and that way you can just edit based on text. I know Premiere Pro has an edit based on text feature, but it's not as easy as this, and it's not as fast as this plugin. So once again, if you want to check out the AutoEdit Event Recap Mode plugin, it's linked down below. You can use this for long form YouTube videos, for TikTok videos, for talking head, and most importantly, if you're a filmmaker or you're creating documentary style videos with actual interview clips, this is really where this plugin comes in handy. So, and also just because you guys stuck into the end, I want to give you guys this free animated caption template, which basically creates like super aesthetic stylized captions like this that you can just basically drag around and adjust. So I can literally just type whatever I want right here and it adjusts everything. You can change anything from the font, color, sizing, position, and the coolest thing about this is that these glowing title emphasis words, so this is what it looks like. Yo, so aesthetic. No, come on. And then you can basically just go ahead and change like the emphasis color to whatever I want. So if I don't want it to be blue, let's say I want it to be orange, I can do so and adjust it to literally whatever I want. I'm going to give this template completely for free. This is just for those of you real creators who are looking to create some more cooler stylized captions than just the standard basic CapCut stuff. Nonetheless, hopefully you got some value from this video. If you want to check out how you can automatically edit concert, recap videos, festival videos, and wedding videos using this plugin, then you can check out this video linked right here.